All right, they're gone. You ready to play?
Yeah. Remember, no hiding in the coach house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This home is no longer hiding and seeking a new owner. With 3 floors, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a beautiful coach house that makes this home a great investment opportunity. With 2,725 square feet and a double car garage, there's no shortage of space. The bright and open design makes this home perfect for the family.
Come on, man. You couldn't have found a better place to hide than that?
Man, I got overwhelmed. There's so many places to hide in this house. It's your turn. You are not going to be very hard to find.
Now, when you're not playing hide and go seek at home, you'll find all the amenities you need are just 10 minutes away. The neighborhood is fantastic, with parks and trails just blocks away. You also have schools and shops within walking distance. With easy highway access and the new SkyTrain coming soon, this location is prime. So contact us to make this home your personal hideaway.
All right, Azim, I give up. You can come out now. I seriously hope the seller has good insurance. So today, we're gonna prank Azim. That's so loud. I gotta turn this thing down somehow. Okay. Okay, Azim. It's coming for you.
I'll do one more read just for kicks, eh? Now, when you're not playing hide and go seek at home, you'll find all the amenities you need just 10 minutes away. What the hell was that?
Dude.
Was that you?
No.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, you did?
I thought you were fucking around with me.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, no.
Do you need to check yourself?
No, you were screwing around with me. What did you do? Did you?
Don't blame it on me. I didn't.
I swear to God, I'm like, hey,
That's disgusting.
it wasn't me. I hear. Oh, it was you guys, right? No. Really? That wasn't me. It was a sound coming from here. These guys are fucking with me. There's the timing on it was.
No, go, okay, go.
Okay. Here. Trails just blocks away. Hey, that's. I knew it was you. Did you know they were gonna do that? Was the timing was just, what is it? Oh, is there something here? Where?
Coming into your butt, huh?
Where is it? Where is it? Is it this thing?
Underneath the pillow.
It's a remote control. That's the trouble this guy goes through.